Hello everyone! Welcome to day 6 for the Best of Luxury Beauty Week for 2024. Today it's all about lip products. The ones that totally stole my heart. Those perfect shades that just elevate your look. I can't wait to share my top picks. The best of the best with you. And yes, please share some of your favorites with us, will you? Let's get into it, shall we? Thank you so much for hanging out with me this week. I got to share a video every single day this week, and I truly appreciate you spending your time with me. I do look forward to this annual series where I get to share the best of the best of the year with you. So as I've mentioned in our previous videos, my details about my makeup looks and all the products we talk about today, everything's listed and linked down below in the description box. So let's get into some of the best of when it came to lip products for 2024. The first product that I'm going to share with you actually surprised me. As a dry lip girly, I tend to stay away from formulas and products like this. But wow, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet in the shade Parchment. This product completely changed my mind. The formula is smooth, it's comfortable, and surprisingly super hydrating, and the color is gorgeous. It's that perfect neutral that you can wear every day. A lot of times I do pair this with a gloss, but honestly, when I do wear it all on its own, it does still look great, and it really feels fantastic on the lips. And I'm so happy that I gave it a try, and I put it to the side that I didn't like products like this, and I said, you know what, we're gonna try it and we're gonna see. And I ended up really enjoying this and reaching for it a ton in 2024. This year I stepped out of my comfort zone a lot. I usually stay very far away from matte products, but there have just been some matte products on the market that make me question everything. But these were a standout, especially for the finish. It's a matte, but it doesn't feel like it. They're just creamy and smooth and beautiful. And I'm so happy that I decided to take the leap and try some new matte formulas. These were just so creamy, comfortable, and incredibly pigmented. I have 3 shades so far, and I'm really fighting myself because I want so many more. I'm saying to myself, maybe just one more, because the color stories themselves are so wearable, and I've reached for them so much. These are the Westman Atelier Lip Suede Hydrating Matte Lipsticks. Now, if you're someone that loves a full coverage lip without the dryness that typically comes with a matte formula, seriously, this formula is it. It is awesome. Look how gorgeous the packaging is. This is the shade Rêve. I love that there's a little mirror under here. It's very small, but it does the job. Here's the shade Rêve. One swipe, beautiful goodness. Hello. And you can see it beside Anastasia. It's very different. Justified. Next up is LFG. This is a really fun, bright pink, but wearable. It's so gorgeous. I've had a lot of fun wearing this. One swipe. Oh, so gorgeous. And then Rêve. I think that's how you pronounce this one. This is a very mauve color. Look how pretty. Now, this is one I actually keep in my purse. Well, because I can't get enough of it, and I never want to not have it because I love the formula. And it's refillable, which we love a lot. The Sisley Phyto Lip Balm. And look at the little case it comes in. This is the perfect balance of hydration and a soft, natural tint that's literally perfect for every day. It's just one of those products that you'll find yourself reaching for constantly. And that's why I kind of just leave it in my purse, because it's just so easy. So one swipe, not very much, but I love that you can also build it up. Isn't that just a gorgeous shade? And look at that shine and hydration. I mention these almost every year, and I still repurchase them because they're just that good. The House of Siage Velvet Lipsticks. I'm just showing you a couple of the cases that I have. You buy the case, and then you buy the actual lipsticks. The formula on these is so smooth and luxurious and comfortable on your lips, and I mean, hello. The case itself is so gorgeous. I feel so special every time I pull one of these out of my purse or I go to use it. So this is how your lipstick comes. You get it in a case. And then your case has a mirror. So if you want to put all of this in your purse, you can. Or obviously you can just throw it in there. It also has a little sleeve. This one in particular is special, so I keep it all in the extra fancies because this is in the limited edition packaging. Look at all these little details. I mean, hello. Swarovski crystals. This is from the Disney collab that they did with House of Siage. These are my top 3 that I have in rotation. I have the pink, the white, and then this one. Aren't they so fun? You buy your refills or your lipsticks, and this is how they come. With a cap and, you know, all the things. My favorite shade is Velvet Nude. That's the one I have in here. But you see, you hear a click, and then that's it. You're all set, ready to go. Now let me share a swatch of Velvet Nude with you right here. Beautiful one swipe. You see that color? That is a go-to, easy, just gorgeousness. Lips are a little stained from that pink shade from Westman Atelier, but that's a good example so you can see how nice the pigment is on these House of Siage. Covers that right up. You hear me talk about these throughout the years, and I've had a couple of my cases for a couple of years, and they look just like the day I got them. None of these Swarovski crystals have fallen out, and these are just top quality, true luxurious products. The TYPOLOGY Tinted Lip Oil. And this is a perfect balance of color and hydration. I love how the formula, it's light, it's not sticky, and it gives you that gorgeous natural tint while keeping your lips moisturized. And it's one of those products that's so easy to wear, making it a true go-to and super easy for your everyday. This is another one that is in my purse most of the time. It's from Augustinus. It's a collab. Love the packaging. It's just like the original balm, but there's just a couple of extra touches. So this balm combines skincare and color in all of the best ways. The formula is rich and nourishing. It soothes the lips while it gives you just a little bit of tint. It's subtle, but it's stunning. It's just one of those products that feels luxurious while still being super easy to wear. Definitely a must-have. Look at these beauties. I enjoyed these so much this year. These are the Bisou jellies. They're an outstanding product. Here, let's get everybody in order. So this is a lip jelly, and it's like a kiss of hydration with a beautiful little pop of color. Now these were sent to me by the brand, and I am just so truly grateful. This lip jelly is like a kiss of hydration with a beautiful pop of color, but blurred, that just kissed kind of vibe. The texture is so smooth and cushiony, and it feels so luxurious on your lips. It gives a glossy finish without being sticky, and the shades are perfect. Every one of these colors are very, very everyday wearable. I found myself constantly wanting to reach for them and use them a ton. They're a beautiful addition to my collection. I just find them to be effortless and give you that nice, just kissed look in all the best ways. I love that it's a balm, and then in the center you have that color, so that when it's blended together, it's so gorgeous, like just so pretty. Gives just the right amount of color. If you don't love a strong, bold red lip, this is the way to go. It's a beautiful combination of a balm and a little bit of color. Look at all those gorgeous colors, yes. The Ravie Beauty Effortless Lips. I just love these so much. They're the perfect combination of comfort and color. Formula is smooth and hydrating, and the shades are absolutely stunning. Whether you're looking for a bold pop of color or for something a little bit more neutral, like a softer tint, these are gorgeous. They truly live up to their effortless name. It's one of those lip products that you can just throw on and go. And these always look perfect every single time. I highly, highly recommend them. I love the variety. I think all of these colors are all so wearable. And the best part about the formula is that you can go in with just one little application, keep it light, or you can build up the intensity just enough, nothing over the top. All these pretty colors, yes. I tried to swatch as many on the lips too, so you kind of see them. But I know a lot of them you've already seen throughout the year on the channel, but you know. All the details, all the things. Thank you so much for watching day 6 with me. I absolutely love sharing these with you. The fun isn't over. Tomorrow's our grand finale, day 7, where we'll wrap up the best of in 2024. So be sure to come back tomorrow for our final installment. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Take a minute and give today's video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.